Hi there! Today, we're going to talk about something super cool called the periodic table. But first, let's talk about what everything around us is made of. Everything on Earth is made out of tiny building blocks called elements. Imagine elements like the pieces of a giant Lego set. Just like how you can build anything with Legos, everything in the world is built from elements. Now, elements themselves are made out of even tinier parts, which we call subatomic particles. One of these particles is called an electron. Think of electrons like little bees buzzing around a flower, except they buzz around the center of an element. Each element has its own special number of electrons, and that number decides where it belongs on the periodic table. It's like finding the perfect spot for a puzzle piece based on its shape. On the periodic table, elements that are alike, like if they're metals or gases, are grouped close together, kind of like how all your toys might go in one box and all your books in another. Now, let's look at the numbers on the table. The numbers below an element tell us how many electrons it has. It's called the periodic table because elements are arranged in a way that their properties repeat in a cycle, like how the sunset happens every 24 hours. Elements with similar properties are in the same column, and each row has elements with the same number of electron shells, like how all the noble gases hang out together. So the periodic table helps us understand how all the elements fit together in our world. But now I have a question for you. Do you think of another useful way to lay out the elements? Let me know in the comments.